Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to pay with PayPal on Vinted in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. First off, you can't actually directly pay with PayPal on Vinted's checkout, but you can use it indirectly by linking your PayPal to a different card accepted by Vinted. So let me go ahead and show you. So on the website, you go ahead and search for the item you want to purchase and then select that item. And then on this page, you want to click on Buy Now. And from here on the next page, you would notice that PayPal is not accepted here. Only these four. So we have Master, Visa, Discover, and Amex. So what you need to do is you can actually link your PayPal to a, let's say for example, MasterCard here. As you can see, um, PayPal does offer this PayPal Cashback MasterCard, and MasterCard is accepted here. So once you have linked your PayPal to this MasterCard, then that's what you can put in here as the information for your card. And you can use this to check out on Vinted. And basically, that's it. Now you know how to pay with PayPal on Vinted in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.